Good morning, everyone. Hope you are doing good. In this video, I'm going to talk about the letter S. As we know in French, the letter S has two sounds, S, Z. When the S is pronounced S, first in the beginning of a word, for example, la soupe, at the end of a word, for example, le fils, but it's so rare because the S in the end of the word, it's silent. Whenever there is two S, double S, example, le poisson. And the S is pronounced Z between two vowels. For example, le visage. So you see, S is between I and A. And also when we do a liaison, example, elles ont. You see, I did a liaison between S and O. I connected the S to the O in the pronunciation. Elles ont.